TEAMGROUP. We are your teammate. TEAMGROUP has been dedicated to developing memory products such as DRAM, SSD, memory card, USB flash drives, peripheral series and industrial storage applications. We've been cultivating the capabilities on design, research, development and manufacturing for over 25 years. Let's see our three major product series. Including T-Force Gaming Series. It's designed for pursuing excellent performance. The best choice for professional gamers and overclockers. T-Create Series, to unleash creativity and to assist the creators in every great artwork. And TEAMGROUP Series, to help daily work efficiently and flawlessly. TEAMGROUP possesses unique technical capabilities, award-winning product design, efficient productivity and internationally approved quality certifications. We emphasize on cutting-edge technology, innovative product design, strict quality control, and efficient consumer services. All are devoted to providing the highest quality products to customers all over the world, aimed to meet the demands of different users with various devices. Our products have been well recognized by global media and received many global design awards, such as Good Design Award, IF Design Award, Red Dot Award, Computex Design and Innovation Awards, Golden Pin Design Award and Taiwan Excellence Awards. In 2021, TEAMGROUP led the industry to the DDR5 era as we announced our official launch of the world's first DDR5 memory, which was available on major EC platforms for consumers worldwide. TEAMGROUP is taking the global lead in the new DDR5 generation. If you want to have a wonderful PC build with great performance, don't forget TEAMGROUP is always here for you. We are your teammate. To learn more about TEAMGROUP, feel free to visit our official website.